come for your soul.
Cut it out!
Cut it out! This isn't funny, this is serious business!
Cut it out, Valiente. Make me.
Hey, relax, cut it out.
Hey, cut it out. I'm practically a married man. I know.
Will you cut it out?
You heard her. Cut it out.
Nice costume, loser.
Hey, quit screwing with the public.
Cut it out! Who do you think you are, huh? Cut it out, man.
Cut it out.
Cut what out?
This going to Paris, we've been broken up for like 2 years, man. I don't want to date you anymore.
Shut up! Shannon! Cut it out! Me. Cut it out, Xiaomei. The doctor didn't say anything about rubbing your chubby stumps. Rub them yourself.
You treat me like dirt.
Wake up, Drac. Snap out of it. Hey, cut it out.
Hey, buddy, you okay?
No, not okay.
I said, cut it out! I hate that elephant.
Do not copy me.
Do not copy me.
Hey, I mean it. Cut it out.
Hey, I mean it. Cut it out.